Hello, my name is Kevin Gilmore with the National Weather Service New Orleans Baton Rouge office, and this is your weekly weather briefing for Thursday, January 14th. Starting off with the situation overview, where we will be highlighting any potential for hazardous weather in the next 5 to 7 days. Starting with today, a lot of people are seeing some very nice weather conditions. Many people have already seen temperatures in the lower to mid 60s. However, don't get used to that yet, as we will see another cold front arriving tonight, which will knock temperatures back down into the 50s for highs on Friday and lasting into the upcoming weekend. We will also see another round of freezing temperatures possible Saturday morning and again on Sunday morning for areas along and north of the I-10-12 corridor, or what we're talking about is generally from Baton Rouge to the North Shore to the coastal Mississippi on north. But then some good news, we'll be slowly warming back up early next week, with the next chance of rain arriving around the middle to later part of next week. However, at this time, confidence with this forecast is low. So as we just mentioned, we will have another cold front coming across the area tonight that will introduce another reinforcing shot of colder air for the next 3 days across the area. Now this will be a quick moving front and a dry front where we're not anticipating any type of showers or storms with this front as it passes through, just another reinforcing shot of cooler air. Now, associated with this front, during the day tomorrow, we will see some stronger winds building in from the west. For right now, mainly the time frame is going to be from mid to late morning on Friday, lasting through Friday afternoon and evening, where we will see some stronger wind gusts at times from the west, ranging from around 20 to 25 miles per hour, with a few locations around 30 mile per hour peak gust potential at times, especially around Macomb and Baton Rouge. And then we want to also mention around marine areas with the strong westerly wind. We do have a small craft advisory in effect for portions of the marine areas, and that goes into effect starting midnight tonight through 3 p.m. on Saturday. So if you happen to have any marine interest or plans in the marine areas or water areas, please remember to exercise as much caution as possible, as there will be increased waves and seas as well as winds during the day tomorrow. Now, as the high winds progress and continue through the evening hours on Friday, going into the overnight hours Friday night through Saturday morning, we will see temperatures dropping down near freezing, but the winds may actually continue through the overnight hours, causing some colder wind chill issues. We're talking about some areas hitting a minimum wind chill of around freezing to possibly into the mid to upper 20s for some areas north of the I-10-12 corridor. Again, lows will be near freezing, but not anticipating any significant cold or freezing conditions on Saturday morning. However, on Sunday morning, we'll see the winds back up a little bit, which will allow for radiational cooling to drop temperatures even colder Sunday morning. Here we're talking about the potential for many areas seeing freezing temperatures to possibly well below freezing temperatures early Sunday morning, but due to the fact that winds are backing off a little bit, we won't see that big deal with wind chills early Sunday morning. And then the good news from there is we will slowly warm up, especially going in towards Monday and Tuesday, getting back to above normal for this time of year, especially on Tuesday and Wednesday. We're going to see highs possibly reaching the mid to upper 60s and maybe even a few lower 70s possible. Just keeping your fingers crossed there as we go towards the middle of next week. And then around mid to late week, we're going to be monitoring a storm system approaching our area, where it could be a south to north moving warm front towards late week. Now, latest model guidance has kind of backed off on the widespread rain potential that we've been seeing the past several days. However, we can't rule out maybe a low chance of some scattered showers across maybe mainly northern and western areas of our area. So that'll be more towards western parts of Louisiana Thursday and Friday. However, again, confidence with this forecast is low, so there could be some changes coming up for the next several days, so stay tuned for more updates. And that'll end this weekly weather briefing, and we appreciate you paying attention, and thanks for joining, and have a great week.